In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your student account with Freckle. So let's get started right away. First, just go ahead and open up your web browser and now type in freckle.com in the address bar and press enter. You will then be taken to the official Freckle website. Now in order to log into your account, simply hover over to the login button and click on it. Now in order to log into your student account, click on the student tab. Now you will be redirected into the login portal. You will be asked to enter your class code, so go ahead and type it in. If you don't have a class code, you can click on I don't have a class code. If you have a QR code that you can use to log in, then you can click on have a QR code. You will then be asked to allow access to your camera, which you can use to scan your QR code. If you don't have a class code, click on I don't have a class code and you will be told to ask your teacher for the 6-letter class code to log in. After getting your code, simply type in your 6-letter class code and then click on the arrow button. And now this will log you in to your student account with Freckle. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your student account with Freckle. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.